Hello everyone, it's BigSeller here, and today's video is all about import settings. Do you find yourself spending endless hours editing products when importing them to your store? Well, fret no more. With import settings, you can streamline this process and have your products edited automatically based on your preferences. This video will consist of 4 parts. Part 1. The benefit of import setting. BigSeller allows you to pre-edit your products according to your import settings when importing scraped products to your platform's draft listings. It's an optional feature, but one that can save you a tremendous amount of time and effort. To get started, simply navigate to Products, then select your scrape list and finally click on Import Settings. From there, you can choose the platform you'd like to set your import rules for. Part 2. Shopee Import Setting. Here, you can customize rules for various aspects of your products such as price, stock, SKU, and more. For instance, you can choose whether to use the scraped product's special price or original price. Similarly, you can decide whether to use the scraped product's stock or set a uniform stock. Want more control over your SKU? You can select options like Not Set, Use Product ID, or Customize to tailor it to your needs. Plus, you can tweak your product names by adding prefixes or suffixes, replacing text, or even removing sensitive words automatically. Part 3. Lazada Import Setting. Moving on to Lazada Import Settings. Here, you can set rules for price, stock, SKU, product image, and more. With options like importing special prices and setting special price formulas, you have flexibility in how you price your products on Lazada. Just like with Shopee, you can adjust your product descriptions, ensuring they fit within Lazada's character limits and removing sensitive information as needed. Part 4. TikTok Import Setting. Now, let's explore TikTok import settings. Here, you have the ability to customize various aspects of your products to optimize them for the TikTok platform. Just like with Shopee and Lazada, you can set rules for price and stock. Choose whether to use the scraped product's price and stock or define your own. And you also can adjust your product descriptions, ensuring they fit within TikTok character limits and removing sensitive information as needed. And there you have it. Import settings on BigSeller empower you to automate and customize the importing process, saving you time and effort while ensuring your products meet your standards across multiple platforms. Don't forget, we offer free training and demo sessions exclusively for our BigSeller users. Drop your training request, share your info, and let us know what you want to learn. Our customer service will reach out to you promptly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upgrades and features in BigSeller. See you in the next one.